Kitty is a lovable mutt from Minnesota, with a funny name and hilarious true-to-life adventures, often as unlikely as her name. Children and the adults in their lives will enjoy Kitty's stories, told from the dog's point of view, with illustrations by Kitty's human. Feel her bravery when she overcomes her fear of cats and water, and cheer when she finds her way back from getting lost. Kitty teaches the importance of sniffing when you're on a walk, not overindulging in goodies, and that making friends is one of life's best things. Kitty is a dog who loves life. Her human helps tell her stories in a heartwarming way, making this a book readers go to over and over again. Come along with Kitty as she makes a friend, learns to swim, goes to work, catches a squirrel, eats the wrong food, and goes to school. Tales of a dog named Kitty. Are you here, Kitty?
Yeah, that's me. And I'm a dog, not a cat, not a kitten, but a dog. D-O-G, dog. And to find out more about my adventures, just bark. Or, if you're human, copy the information on this screen.